It's been reported that nearly a quarter of 14 to 16-year-olds in the UK know what an engineer does. An engineering role is hugely diverse. Engineers imagine, design and create almost everything we use in daily life. At Anglia Ruskin University, they're looking to change the game, shifting the focus to creativity and solving global problems in the process. Nick Thatcher finds out how.
Today's engineering students will help shape the world of tomorrow. And whether it's building resilient communities, developing sustainable transport, or generating more low-carbon energy, a talented and diverse workforce will be required to address some of the biggest global challenges we face. So here at ARU's School of Engineering, the focus is on project-based learning to give students the skills they need to succeed.
The idea is from day one that students are immersed in a professional project. So they are doing the work of the engineer that they want to become. And this gives context and application to a lot of the theory that we have to learn as engineers. Students will have to learn to communicate through technical reports, through oral presentations. They will also be working in a group, in a team. So the idea is to develop all these professional skills in students so that when they graduate from ARU, they will hit the ground running in whatever company they start working in.
ARU are specifically looking to recruit and train engineering students who take an interest in social and environmental issues. Jean-Luc Morissette is a graduate from ARU who's researching his doctorate in aerodynamics and exploring ways to improve the performance of wind turbines.
Everyone wants to make a positive impact in the world, and I'm no different. So I looked at the individual blades and then optimized them to reduce drag and increase lift, which results in increased power output. So I've managed to attain around 36% increase, and the benefit of that as well is that they work better in close proximity to each other. So we want to make a positive difference in the world, and engineering allows us to do that.
Diversity of talent and experience is crucial for encouraging different perspectives and driving innovation. Workers within the engineering sector currently make up 19% of all UK employees, but only 12% of those in engineering jobs are women. That's one of the lowest percentages in Europe. And job vacancy numbers of 833,000 in mid-2018 were the highest they've been since 2001.
From a numbers point of view, it's really important to attract as wide a range of people to engineering as possible. Engineering will be better the more people that we have involved in it, the more points of view that we can have involved in the design of things that society uses and lives in and travels on, then the better the design will be. And the whole point of project-based learning is that it should attract a wider range of people into engineering.
Rosalio Samuel is determined to challenge stereotypes in engineering. She's a postgraduate researcher who's working with industry to design and optimize fiber composites in electric vehicles for progressive energy absorption under dynamic impact.
What really motivates me about my course or what I'm learning is that there is going to be an output from it. So I'm not just learning, I'm not just researching, I'm not just going to do something and by the time I finish it, that's it. No, I want to create something which sustains. Even after I finish my degree, I want to see my idea out in the market or my idea being beneficial to someone else. So ARU did help me to step my game up.
From civil to electronic, medical to mechanical, engineering at ARU provides students with the skills that reflect the modern world and meet the needs of today's employers, supporting a new generation of engineers to make a difference in all our lives.